Hey everyone, David at C.Scale, excited to share our new Assemblies editor with you. The next time you're in your project, you can come to the enclosure accordion and click this switch which says Use Assemblies. When clicked, you can now click this Configure Assemblies button, which will open up our solid exterior wall editor. By default, we pre-populate an R value, a service life, and a carbon intensity for your wall assembly, but it's really up to you to come in and start making this your own. So you say we would like to apply some wood siding for cladding, mineral wool for exterior insulation, and perhaps a 2x6 wood stud with an R value of 30. We could update our model. We could see this now says wood siding for 100% of our total solid wall. We can also duplicate this assembly and say that maybe a portion of the building actually has thin brick with mineral wool with 6-inch CMU. And we could say that this is for about 20% of the building, whereas this is about 80% of the building. And once these numbers are validated, you can update your model. And you'll see here that now we've got 80% of the building has wood siding, 20% with thin brick. So you can configure these assemblies for each scenario. I hope this helps you model your exterior wall assemblies more accurately.